That's so cool over there.
There's our boat. Say bye, boat. Hi, buddy.
Keep scooting, girl. Woo! What are you doing? You turn the light off, people are trying to sleep. Okay, that's better. Oh no!
We made it to Catalina Island.
Good morning, vlog. We have made it to Catalina Island. We're parallel to Avalon, and we're gonna have a great day with the rest of the family. We just got up. We're up here on the Lido deck. We're about to go get breakfast. And like I said, we're gonna have a great day on the island, exploring, and then we're gonna go on an excursion. And we're gonna go look for sea lions and seals.
On Seal Rock.
At Seal Rock, which I think is like the south side of the island. So we're really excited, looking forward to a great day. Stay tuned.
Is it good? Yeah, it's been my first breakfast burrito experience. I got a wheat tortilla, ham, cheese, scrambled eggs, regular ones, not Mexican, pico, and hash browns. And then I got crema fresca, which I might regret because I've never tried before. I probably would have preferred bacon, but I guess ham is the closest thing to bacon.
The girls are chowing down right now. French toast, waffles, apple juice, potatoes, breakfast pizza. Right next to Catalina Island. So those boats right there, the tender boats, the ones that are gonna pick us up from the cruise ship and take us to Catalina Island. I think there's one right there too. I think I've seen 3 so far. The tender boats will take us right there. I think that's where our excursion is as well. Okay guys, we finished breakfast. We grabbed some things from the room, and we are now getting ready to head to the tender boats to get off the ship and spend our time in Catalina.
Can I pick the floor?
Nope, we're walking down the gangway right here, mid.
Okay, we're on the tender boat. It's not like Endicott Arm Fjord. It smells like fish.
The line was long in the hallway. Luckily we got to the shorter one, I think. Other people were saying that the one at the aft was longer, but we went to the one at midship and we had to wait about 10-15 minutes in the hallway, and then they guided us down the stairs to deck 0. But we finally got on. Fast and Fun is only priority 8 to 9 o'clock. So we still had to wait in a line like everyone else. We thought because we had Faster and Fun, like there'd be a priority line, but that was only 8 to 9 o'clock. So we missed it by a couple minutes, but it's okay because we're on and we're headed over to Catalina.
Not a bad place to swing. There's like, I'm too big for this.
It's so cute though, right off the port. Oh, there's like a little playground.
Playground. Look at us finding playgrounds.
Find playgrounds everywhere. Sure.
Be careful. We find the best playgrounds with like the best views.
You also got a volleyball court and a basketball court. So if you're coming here, you could bring a volleyball or a basketball. Have some fun.
Look at this place. Just a city built on the side of a mountain. just signed our waivers for our excursion. Now we're just gonna walk around. I think we're gonna go back to this playground that we passed earlier so the girls can have some fun. Okay guys, we got some souvenirs. Now we're heading to our excursion. We'll be there for the next hour. Hopefully we find some dolphins, seals, and sea lions.
All right, Mimmer, what'd you get?
A necklace.
A necklace. What else did you get?
A light.
A nightlight seashell. It's really pretty. Sis, what'd you get?
A ring.
A ring. What else did you get?
A jewelry box.
That's made out of?
Seashells from Catalina.
Called a bird poop.
Bird poop. That's a submarine. It doesn't go all the way underwater, but the people are underwater. I would be feeling claustrophobic.
You ready, Mimmer? Yeah. There's our boat. Say bye, boat. Oh my gosh.
Showing off for you. You can see how they have their kind of front flippers. They stand on those. Which a seal does not. A seal doesn't have flippers like that.
Oh. How did you get up there?
Good job. Oh.
Are they fighting or is that
They're just playful. They're like, God. That is a female right there. You see how her head is very flat?
Oh my gosh, he's right here. Hi, buddy.
See how he doesn't have front flippers? How do you call that? I call it rock. Now I want to find one. I want to follow.
Can I poop?
This thing poops. Everybody poops. They all like to swim in water. And the predators, they swim along the color lines. They swim right along this little change in color right here, wait for anything to come out. Catalina was formed off of seismic activity. We're actually sitting on a slip plate sideways.
Can't hang.
Girls, what'd you think?
I loved it.
I loved it.
Absolutely
It was
amazing.
So cool. I
Not
love sea
me.
lions. Mara did not like it, and and she slept actually, which is good. She fell asleep because if not, she would not have liked the ride back. It was
Very bumpy, but it was a lot of fun. It was a good time. Top 3 things we've ever done, for sure. Key lines were amazing. Now time to go explore the rest of the island. Yeah, you can rent them.
Maybe we should rent them.
It's expensive.
It's very expensive. Oh.
Yeah, we looked at prices. It's about $200 for 2 hours, and that's only for a 4-seater.
Okay, guys, we met up with everybody. We're at Lloyd's of Avalon, getting some ice cream.
What are those?
Lloyd's.
And chip.
Bubble gum. Big
Bubble
chunks of bubble gum.
Chunks of bubble gum.
Closer to each other. Yeah. Look like you're scared. Lark, get in front of Lark and right.
Trying to get the
in front
kids to
of
take a
Lark.
photo
In
together.
front of Lark. Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Smile.
Hey, girl.
These little city parks around Catalina are pretty nice. Our oldest is at the top. She's gonna go where she probably shouldn't go, which is to the end, Adeline. Gabby, look at your daughter.
Yep. So that's perfect.
Turn back to the tender boats.
Yeah, I just saw her too.
Thank you for visiting Avalon.
Chicken Shack barbecue sandwich. Guy's burger.
Not you guys.
Yeah, you did. Kids menu again. Guy's burger. Time to eat. View of Catalina. Our new friend. Aww.
Here, use that one. Use that one. Oh, don't get me. Woo! Keep scooting, girl. Keep scooting. Okay, girls, we're about to go do the rope course finally on this trip. He's right behind us. He's coming. About to knock out this rope course. Okay, so I tried to get on the rope course. They wouldn't let me because my shorts were just a tad too wet. It's okay, because Lark and Addie and Dardar are about to go do the rope course. So I'm gonna get some video of them. Let's go, Lark. There's Addie and Dardar. Get ready to go. Let's go! Woo-hoo! Yeah, you got that. Okay guys, we had some fun on the rope course and the water slides and the splash pad. Now it's time to get ready and we're all meeting back together again in the dining room where we're gonna have some delicious food and a good time. So stay tuned, because it's gonna be fun. You don't wanna miss out.
It's formal night here on the Carnival Firenze. The girls are all dressed up. We are excited for formal night in the dining room. We're gonna see the show tonight. It's 2000s pop, like a wedding theme kind of thing. It's called Dear Future Husband. And then we're gonna figure out what else to do.
Okay, thanks for that.
Who's gonna start?
Jump scare.
What, you gonna try what? A goldfish? There's no sugar? I've never had goldfish before.
No added sugar.
So if you wanna try some, you can. Ooh, Moose Track sounds good.
That is a good one.
Do you like the Daryl?
It's good. Catalina Island was the best.
So we just finished dinner. Now we're headed to Cherry on Top to get some candy before the theater show.
Not using that.
We had dinner, we got some candy, and now we're getting ready to see the show.
What's the show called?
Something about like 2001 pop, Let's Find Your Husband or something.
Your husband.
Dear my future husband, it's 2000s pop.
Gotcha. All the kids got the worst candy.
Worst
Nothing
candy.
worth of dad tax.
All gummy.
Get candy.
Okay guys, so we watched the show, we kind of started losing people. Some of the kids were not feeling great, some of us are getting really tired, but our family, Addie and Mare, Gabby, they put pajamas on. Now we're just kind of walking around the ship. I think we're gonna go visit the Dr. Seuss book room at Camp Ocean. A dark evening out there.
Yeah. You're on this cushion too? Hi, friends.
What's up, vlog? We made it to the Dr. Seuss book room. The girls are playing. A bunch of kids are getting dropped off at Camp Ocean right now for the Night Owls program, but you could just slip right in the side and you can come to this little playroom where there's a bunch of toys, every single Dr. Seuss book you can think of, and a bajillion copies of them. So the girls are just playing together. I'm sitting in this big old red chair and we're just gonna hang out for a little bit. I got Mare falling.
I wish I got that on camera. This girl just ate it. There you go, got that one.
So is the orange one.
I'm walking. That was on purpose. This is close to me. Marion! When you die.
All right, vlog, that is it for the night. We are headed to bed until tomorrow in Mexico. Good night, vlog.